Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to practice everyday English sentences about a woman's home routine. These sentences are simple, clear, and very useful for daily life. Let's start from the morning and go through the whole day together. Let's begin with the morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I prepare breakfast for my family. I drink a cup of tea. I clean the kitchen after breakfast. Now, some sentences about housework. I wash the clothes. I clean the rooms. I make the beds. I cook lunch. I water the plants. In the afternoon, women often continue their home routine. I serve lunch to my family. I wash the dishes after lunch. I help my children with homework. I rest for a short time. I call or visit a friend. Now let's look at the evening. I prepare dinner. I set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I clean the kitchen again. I spend time with my children. And finally, the night routine. I fold the clothes. I prepare things for tomorrow. I drink a glass of warm milk. I read a book for a while. I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Great job! Today we practiced a woman's full home routine. Morning routine. Housework. Afternoon routine. Evening routine. Night routine. Now it's your turn. Write 5 sentences about your home routine in the comments. I'll check and reply to you. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next lesson.